Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: battery above 50% or plug-in, and a strong Wi-Fi connection. Once done, start a QuickTime machine backup. This safeguards settings and files in case something goes wrong. Make sure to free at least 10 to 20% of disk space. Installers need room. Now, open System Settings and go directly to Software Update. This is where Mac OS scans and presents the available update. You will see size and restart details. Note them before continuing. You tap Download and monitor the progress bar in Software Update. Download time varies with size and speed. While it downloads, read the release notes so you know which apps or hardware might be affected. This prevents surprises. Once download completes, the system preps files and verifies integrity. Let it finish. Do not force quit. You can choose to install now or schedule restart. Save open documents, sign out of accounts with two-factor prompts, and close apps to ensure a smooth transition. You allow the Mac to restart and run the installer. Expect one or more progress bars and automatic restarts. This is normal. After the upgrade finishes and you log in, verify the version under About This Mac and confirm settings and apps work. If something is missing, reapply updates in Software Update. If the installer hangs or the Mac won't boot, boot into safe mode and attempt the update again, or use your Time Machine backup to restore. This solves most upgrade failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.